We're talking about decentralized finance, or DeFi, a financial system without banks, at least in the traditional sense, without a middleman executing your transactions.
Hello, welcome to the Fuqua LinkedIn Live, and it's great to be back. And I'm very excited to actually introduce my book. So it's finally out. It came out last week, DeFi and the Future of Finance.
So what is decentralized finance? DeFi. Have you ever thought about how our banks and financial systems work? They are pretty centralized, right? So you rely on banks for everything from saving money to taking loans. But imagine a world where you don't always need a middleman for your money. That is where something called decentralized finance or DeFi comes in. So DeFi is a new way of handling money that uses the technology called blockchain, which is the same technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So think of it like this: instead of a bank controlling your money, it's all handled by computer programs that run on a network, completely transparent. This means you have more control and can do things like lend, borrow, or even earn interest, all without traditional banks. Before proceeding further, may I request you to subscribe Learn by Choice for more videos on financial literacy, NPS, self-empowerment. Thank you very much. Let us come back to the subject of the discussion. So the DeFi mostly runs on something called smart contracts. These are like digital agreements that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. No human intervention is needed. For example, a smart contract can be programmed to send money from one person to another every Friday as long as there is enough money available. No one can change this once it is set, making it very, very secure. There are online platforms where you can put in your crypto assets and other people can borrow them. In return, you earn interest on your deposited crypto. It's like being your own mini bank, earning income from your digital assets. This is one way possible to participate in DeFi by becoming liquidity providers. So what can you do with DeFi? DeFi is not just about lending or borrowing. There are many other things you can do. You can use decentralized exchanges or DEX to trade cryptocurrencies directly with others without a traditional exchange. There are also platforms for yield farming, which is like putting your crypto to work to earn more crypto, similar to earning high interest. You might also hear about NFTs or non-fungible tokens, which are unique digital assets. While the market has seen some changes, they are still a part of the broader DeFi ecosystem. There are even prediction markets where you can bet on the outcome of future events using crypto. But remember, just like any form of betting, these come with risks. Now it is super important to understand that DeFi is still quite new and can be very, very volatile. So just like cryptocurrencies, the prices can go up or down dramatically. There is a lot of hype and sometimes it's hard to tell what is real and what is just marketing. For instance, less than 1% of all money globally is currently in cryptocurrency and DeFi. So it's a small but growing part of the financial world. Also remember that DeFi is largely unregulated. This means if something goes wrong, like a hack or a scam, there might not be many ways to get your money back. There have been instances where people have lost significant amounts due to security flaws. So if you are thinking about entering into DeFi, always do your homework, understand the risks, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. It's an exciting space with potential, but it's not a guaranteed path to riches and requires very, very careful consideration. Thank you for watching Learn by Choice. Please subscribe to our channel.